Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, October 24th, 2016. U.S. stock market is closed. I called the Dow up for today, and that's exactly what it did. I thought this was a bull spike down here on Friday, and it did take off right at the beginning. Very, very strong, but unfortunately, it just can't sustain that kind of momentum, and it came back and ended up closing about in the middle of this initial bar, but the Dow still ended up closing up 77 points. Uh, it wasn't a great day for us. We just had a handful of positions, three positions coming in. We did manage to get out with $2,000 profit with those three positions, and then we got into four new positions, and we're holding negative $2,700 on those four positions. All of them were negative, but nothing that was too badly negative, if you know what I mean. So, it was basically a wash for today. That's been a problem recently. It's just like we can't really get any traction, but at least we haven't been getting killed on a daily basis either. So there's something to be said for that. But nevertheless, these are very undecided, nervous, and directionless markets right now. Probably reacting to the election. I don't know. It's hard to say, but they are not easy or profitable markets to be trading. I am looking at this. I'm going to call the Dow down for tomorrow. It just seems to me if it was a strong market, it would have closed closer to the high. The fact it did come back, and we are in this pattern of up one day, down the next. So I'm going to call the Dow down for tomorrow. Don't have too much to show you. It wasn't very exciting today, but I will show you. This was our problem biggest problem stock for the day. It wasn't a big problem, but as this is Navistar, it gaps up, and we managed to buy almost a high tick of the day, and then of course it pulls back, and we're holding negative $1,400 in Navistar. We did have one good trade in our closed out trades, however, and that was in DeGaz, which is inverse natural gas. On Friday it gapped up. We buy the gaps. It closed a little in our favor. Then it punched up pretty hard here right on the open. Unfortunately, it pulled back some for our get out, but we did take out $1,500 in DeGaz. Now, having said all that, I want to tell you the trades we are today is based on a kind of a reduced portfolio. I am going to be sending this out in the next couple of days to all you paying customers. I've pulled about 25 stocks out of the portfolio. I'm adding about 25 stocks to replace them, and I'm going very heavy on energy. And this just reminded me because the gas is the inverse natural gas. UGAS is the bullish natural gas. So I'm going to be putting that. No, excuse me. This is the bullish natural gas. UGAS is the bearish natural gas. Anyway, we'll be trading both sides of the natural gas, and I'm going to have a lot of energy stocks in the portfolio. It makes me a little nervous. I like diversity, but all my analysis shows that that's where the action is right now, so that's where we're going to go. Anyway, I will have that out in the next couple days. Meanwhile, I'm only trading about 25 stocks right now, but day after tomorrow, I'll be back to over 50. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trade Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.